Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a little bit of a break from RC and taking a look at a SmartDesk DIY kit that I bought from Autonomous.ai. The kit I bought was the SmartDesk Business Edition DIY from Autonomous.ai. It can go from 24 inches to 51 inches high, supports 300 pounds, and it moves at 2.3 inches per second. It's a dual motor system, so it's got a little bit more power for moving up and down. So let's take a look at the legs. All the legs and frame are very sturdy and heavy, so it's really stable as far as standing desk goes. And here are the controls. The controls have 4 memory presets. Right now I have preset 1 at 44 inches high and preset 2 at 33.8 inches. And there you can see it going down. So you see it's that 2.3 inches is pretty nice for a standing desk. It's pretty quick. Just move that up again. Take a look at how fast that goes. So, also, what you need to know is that I also bought the Autonomous.ai cable tray for this particular SmartDesk frame. It helps me clean up the wires underneath, and you'll see that there's only one power wire coming from this side and a few Ethernet wires coming out from the other side, which really should only be one, but I have a hub in there, so that's why you see more than one wire. Another thing is the DIY kit does not come with a tabletop. Tabletop I'm using right now is an IKEA tabletop, and the reason I went with the DIY kit without the tabletop is because I had specific size requirements for this particular room. If you wanted to, Autonomous.ai does have a Smart Desk with the tabletop included. And of course it's a little bit more, but they've got some preset sizes that they have. I think they have 2 different sizes, but in my case the DIY kit was the way to go. Some things I plan to do in the future: I have a speaker amp up here and a headphone stand right here that I plan to mount to the bottom of the tabletop, so that should clean up the top of the desk nicely. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.